Good morning, no, not morning. Good afternoon from at home. It's 1:30. And we've been busy. It's been really hard to keep up with everything right now. So let me show you this first. See this? I'm so excited that this is actually working the way it's supposed to, because that was a huge stressor of planning this big road trip through Canada and Michigan, and well, through most of Michigan with Canada, and to not have a refrigerator. And we've slowly been able to get it restocked. The kids are rotating showers because church tomorrow. The puppy has decided that she doesn't know how to walk on a leash anymore and has been refusing to do it. And so we're kind of working on puppy training today because she's being a pain about it. Like, she thinks that if you say no to her, you are now public enemy number one, and she never has to listen to you ever again. And she's being so obnoxious about it. They can't both be out at the same time because he gets protective of her. Sarah, he has to come back in first. So don't take her out yet. She's fixing to take puppy and guitar outside, even though I just told her not to. I got the puppy. I have the puppy. Come. Good girl. Oh yeah, now that I'm on camera, now she's gonna do it. Oh, and now she's trying to run. Hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Let everybody know you're fine. Hey, big guy. Hey, big guy.
Say hi,
Chubby, say hi.
Say hi, bud.
He says no. So he knows, like, he is so intuitive. He really is. He knows we're going somewhere because we've been doing like a lot of massive decluttering and some deep cleaning slowly. And I also had the suitcases out the other day. Look at her. Will you please take her? Her thing came unhooked when I went to pick her up. It's like, it's not Velcroed. She's something else. But he knows. So he knows we've got a dog sitter for him. He knows we're heading out of town. He knows everything. She's going with us because she's my mother-in-law's emotional support puppy. She would be with her today, but my mother-in-law was heading to go to like a restaurant with some friends. And while some places do recognize emotional support dogs, most restaurants don't. So we're okay with that. We get that. We actually, when we celebrated Matt's birthday over the weekend, we left her here in one room in a crate and left Chubby in another room in a crate, and that seemed to work out. So what are we doing today? Sarah's going outside to practice guitar. She actually has guitar. She's going to practice it and take the puppy with her. The big dog's staying inside with us. One's in the shower. What I'm going to do today is I am slowly getting dark to light because I'm walking through the house. I'm slowly getting used to the new camera. It's finally almost to where I want it to be, but I think I'm going to reset the video and then save all the audio settings. Reset it back to factory, leave the factory video, because I like the factory video. It was the audio. But now we have a mic up here, and we have a windsock for when we go on the trip, because we're going to need the windsock on the trip. So we're finally getting it used to, but like I'm walking dark to light because stuff. So this is one of my goals for today, and as part of our countdown to Michigan is I have stuff that I want to slowly do so that whenever we get closer to time, because every time, and my kids are older now, so maybe it won't be as much of a problem, but every time we planned like more than one night trip, I have at least one kid outgrow something last minute. So I'm trying to save a lot of the last minute money for like last minute clothing, last minute shoes, or like one of them will break a pair of shoes. Trying to save the money we can for last minute that. The other thing that I'm focusing on today is I really think I want to get like a base meal list of meals that we can like just have planned out, because another thing that's like stressing me out right now managing, because like right now the oldest two have chemistry, math, one's in geometry, one's in algebra 2, US history and personal finance, and those classes together takes so much time because like we set up our curriculum where it's not going to take 8 hours a day because kids can learn in less than 8 hours a day, but high school still is like 4. But it takes so much time to do those because our U.S. history is a lecture teaching class. The chemistry is a hands-on video class. Like they got the video and then they got the hands-on to go with it. I need to go sit down with them and do their chemistry and U.S. history today because we're going to be out of the house tomorrow and Friday and Monday. And I really just, and Sunday for church. But I really, really need to just start making lists of things I need to buy. I want to spread the shopping out between now and when we leave midsummer for this trip. And this is one of the things that I want to do is I actually bought this bag. Like this is our to-go bag. What I do is I literally buy any over-the-counter medication I think we'll need on a trip go in that bag. Like there's Tums in that bag. There's anti-constipation medication. There's those like there's stomach medications in there. There's Dramamine in there. At the time when I packed it, I had kids and adult Tylenol and ibuprofen, which I still have one that still prefers the kid ones, because reasons I don't want to get into. That's her personal thing. But and I don't care to buy it for. Honestly, I think the cost is about the same. Really, like it really is. But I need to go through here, and I bought this in 2020 when we were supposed to go on the Disney cruise, and I had done this in 2017 when we went on a Disney cruise. I need to go through here, see what's expired, see what I need to replace. I have a list in here. Oh, it says don't forget vitamins. That's not the list. And I need to leave that in there too, because one of the things I need to do before the trip is like make a to-do list of what to do the day before we leave. And on that list is pick up a rental because it's a road trip. But another thing is like I want to wait until the day before to do the vitamins. I need to do like packing chargers, which Matt and I personally believe like if you're going to travel, get second chargers for your phones. Don't take the ones from your house because you don't want to risk leaving them. So we have separate chargers. I need to make sure those chargers are packed, make sure the cameras are charged. The GoPro has everything I would need because we will be doing some swimming. So I'll need like stuff for swimming with the GoPro versus just like outdoor stuff with the GoPro. Make sure this camera, I need to buy more batteries for this camera because it's new and it's different. Make sure the kids have all of their electronics packed. When I say electronics, they're all taking cameras. Whatever they want to do with that footage is up to them. I may do a video, let each of them do a video and teach them how to edit as well. But I need to go through this bag, write down what's expired and what needs replaced. And I also want to wait until closer to the trip to buy it because medication can expire, be recalled. And I know it's all over-the-counter stuff, but yeah. And also I will say we're a big family. We usually buy like Tylenol and ibuprofen in bulk from Sam's. You've seen that. This bag, we do the travel size. And my backpack, whenever we're not going through anywhere that's like a security checkpoint, my backpack also has over-the-counter Tylenol, ibuprofen, and children's allergy medication in my backpack too. So I also buy little bottles for that. The only time I ever buy little bottles. And I do, like, Matt has little bottles he refills from home for work and he knows they're not expired. But when I travel just for safety measure, I always buy new little bottles so that it's no question asked of did I give my child expired medication. So that's kind of where we are. I need to go through this. And also like because after the cruise and looking at this trip, knowing stuff was coming up, we did start opening some stuff and using it up out of here instead of buying new stuff. So, and we were okay with that. But I need to do that. I need to set that down. I want to go make a meal list while the kids and I go, or the oldest two and I go watch U.S. history. One's in the shower. One's playing guitar. Busy day. I love our life. It's just one of those busy, I love our life days. If you know what I mean, like I love our life. It's crazy, chaotic, busy. I wouldn't have it any other way. But trying to keep everything organized. Let's get this done. So that last clip you saw, I'm sorry for the hoarse voice, was filmed about a week ago. In that time frame, we were homeschooling. We did a super busy cleaning weekend. You may be able to tell behind me that we like ripped everything off of his desk and started over both of his desks. We did some massive laundry catching up, bedding, some kitchen work. We've, like I said, we've been doing schooling because we're almost done with the spring semester, puppy sitting, and just doing things. So the other things that I did that were off camera was I went ahead and wrote out the meal plan for every week every month from now until the end of August. And we've already done one meal or one grocery haul that you'll see in the video after this one from that meal plan, and hopefully that's going to simplify things so much more. And that's kind of the goal, is just to simplify things, not spend a ton of money, and then just have this amazing trip with our family of 7 plus puppy. So that's kind of it for this video, and I hope that you kind of got some inspiration from this of just like, you can do this. It's going to take some, legwork to get things done ahead of time, but if the further in advance you can plan big trips like this, the better. And now I have that list ready for like going shopping. I don't want to buy meds until like closer to time. I've got it set on my calendar of when I'll go and do that. Would you be still? And yeah, we're set to go. We just spreading out the spending a little bit. House is in a pretty good place now. Just maintaining it, finishing our spring semester, finishing our summer semester, starting and finishing our summer semester, having 2 weeks of summer vacation in between spring and summer semester, and then we're off to Michigan and Canada. But yeah, please keep following along with these videos, because I will try to do more videos of like these, of just explaining how we plan in advance and do all that. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do you want to say bye? Bye.